Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. Science teachers met again yesterday to continue planning to help really get you guys geared up and all set for V-Learning. We are going to continue working on astronomy. Thank you to those that finished up your written response and all of your work from last week that related to the seasons. We're going to be moving on to part 4 of astronomy. We're going to be talking and studying about Earth's moon. A quick meme that I was sent was this really cute cartoon that you'll see on the screen, just out for a casual moonwalk. So Earth has one moon that rotates and revolves around us. And as you can see, the planet that seems to be dragging a whole bunch around with the ring around it would be Saturn. So Saturn, as of right now, has 53 named and confirmed moons, and NASA, along with other scientists, are focusing on 29 more that they've researched and discovered using various technologies and satellites. If and when those are all combined, that would give Saturn a total of 82 moons. Fast mental math there. 82 moons that are going to be rotating and revolving around Saturn. Now, the sizes and densities of those moons actually vary, and that has an impact on how they rotate and revolve. But you can look for more information and details about that and other planets on NASA's website. We are going to be focusing on Earth's moon because that is the closest to us, and we have actually traveled there. All right, so for today, there is a new class kick because we are moving on. It is so aproposly called Astronomy Part 4, The Moon. You are going to be working on pages 2 and 3. You have both today and tomorrow to work on those pages. This video is going to give you an overview of what page 2 looks like so you understand all the things that you're being asked to do. So let's take a look at what those ask you to do. All right, so you'll see on page 2, we've added a comment or question box. So if you'd like to ask a question, you can type it right in there and I will get you a response back as soon as I possibly can. You are going to be going to the website, which is NASA's website, and you are going to be going to the page that says 10 things what we learn about Earth by studying the moon. You are going to be reading different headings, so please pay attention to the yellow boxes with the directions. It's going to tell you exactly the location of the paragraph or paragraphs that you may need to read. You may have to summarize some sections. You may be asked multiple choice questions. Please make sure you actually click on the letter of the multiple choice circles. Sometimes when you highlight, it doesn't pop up on my screen. The last thing you're going to be doing on page 2 is actually writing a quick thank you note to the moon, because believe it or not, we've actually learned a ton about Earth based off of the moon. And for those that remember way back before we actually went on our little break and moved into V-Learning, you guys actually did a station where you did a stop motion video about how the moon actually came from Earth. So go ahead and just make sure you have everything completed on page 2 for today. And then if you want, you could move on to page 3 if you would like to and work ahead. The quote for today is this: happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to other people. I know that with a lot of downtime, you guys are probably spending a lot of time looking at videos and different things online, and it's really easy to try to compare yourselves with other people. And I know a lot of times in junior high, even as an adult, you kind of have a tendency to look around the people around you, and you kind of start thinking about what they have, what you don't have, and you can get caught up in that. Know that you don't need to compare yourself to other people ever. You are so unique in your own ways. You have special talents and skills and characteristics that make you stand out in your own special way. And always hold on to that. Each and every one of you is extremely, extremely just so unique. There's no one like you. I wouldn't think you'd want to be like anybody else. The joy of learning about yourself during this time is that these are different characteristics that will hold on to your personality and help you kind of develop as you get older. So hold on to that. Know that sometimes some of the things that you see aren't exactly the true story or the full story about somebody. So be a little bit cautious with that. Know and dig down deep, even when times are hard, that you're the best version of you that you could ever be. So I'm going to leave you guys with that thought. Please email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Know that I'm always here for you, and I hope you guys have a fantastic start to your week. Bye, guys.